Hi everyone, I am Amber. Today I am going to teach you how to make some delicious brownies. And it's how I do it. I hope you like it. Tools. Do you need an Ovenproof of 25 for 30? Piece of aluminum foil, spatula, knife, measuring cups, strainer, and mix bowl. About the ingredients, do you need cocoa without sugar, wheat flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, vainilla extract, unsalted water, and salt. That's okay, continue. In the process, first, seed a cup and quarter of cocoa without sugar. Shake it in, girl. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We don't want lumps. Remove them with the help of the spatula. We also put a cup of sugar. Sifting is time consuming, but it improves the flavor of brownie. Don't despair. There is much left over. You can't return to the container. We add a cup of brown sugar. It's very delicious. Don't finish it. Also remove the lumps and return what was left. Two-thirds cup of flour and we sift. Remember that if you don't shake it, it won't work. Mix the dry ingredients. Oops, I forget the salt. Add a little of salt and mix again. Melt the butter. Measure it to a cup and add the mixture. Also add 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs, a little of vanilla extract, and mix. Don't eat the mixture, it's almost done. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Cover the Ovenproof with aluminum foil. Add the mixture. It looks weird, but I promise you it tastes delicious. Bake for 25 minutes. Say bye. When they are ready, take them out very careful. Wear gloves or rags if you are poor. Let go and you can almost sell them. Cut in squares. And if you like blueberries, you can garnish with them, and it only remains to enjoy. Thanks for hearing me.